Today on Hyundai Helpers, we're going to help you get prepped and ready to go for your next epic road trip. Oh hey, I was wondering where you guys went. Let's kick today's video off with everyone's favorite subject, food. If you're going to be on the road for a while, pack a cooler full of ice, veggies, fruits, snacks, and other refreshments to save time and money. If you don't have wireless charging, make sure to pack a cord to charge your phone, because we all know the world stops when our phones die. Don't forget car adapters if your vehicle doesn't have USB ports. Load up on all playlists, podcasts, and other content before you hit the road. Or you could always just talk to your friends. Okay, maybe not. If you've got a full vehicle, trash will start piling up pretty quickly. Attach a carabiner to an empty headrest with a grocery or tote bag for a makeshift trash can. Enlist help if needed. If you've got any four-legged friends coming along, pack a food and water bowl, travel leash, toys, and of course, baggies to clean up their little leave-behinds. It wouldn't hurt to bring a frisbee or ball for any pit stops along the way. Now you're ready for an epic road trip. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips. If not for me, do it for Dragon.